Hey guys, Brian here with Cascade Custom Vans. Today I want to walk you through the process of popping in a window on your slider door. Okay, so today we're installing a T-vent window from C.R. Lawrence, ordered from Van Windows Direct, on our slider. This is a 2019 Promaster, and this application goes for all Promasters models 2013 and newer. So just to bring you in here on what we're working with, so the tools you'll need for the job, obviously you need a drill with a bit. That'll pop your hole and get you started for your jig saw blade afterwards. 1/2-inch bit there. Jig saw and a little inside tip. I like to use some painter's tape to wrap the base of my saw so I'm not rubbing the inside metal, tearing up the paint on the finish inside the van. You'll need a marker, a straight edge, some primer to clean up your cut edge so we don't have any rust issues down the road, some tape to protect the inside of the van further, some eye and ear protection for yourself. Alright guys, inside the van here we have the window pre-taped around the trim of it to protect the paint from our saw vibrating and tearing up that finish. And on these Promasters it's very simple. You're just going to follow this interior stamp that comes from the manufacturer. The only tricky part, you're going to make a straight line across here and cut this rib alongside the panel as you do it. Make a straight line here. Alright, so first we're going to drill the hole, pop it through the body panel, and that'll give us an entry point for our jigsaw blade to trace around the stamp out. Alright guys, for this one you're going to use a bimetal blade. I like to go with a 3-inch length so that you can get these corners in odd spaces when the blade has to go a little further and the body of the saw pulls away. Alright guys, this is where you want to wear your personal protective equipment. It's going to get loud. Still rolling. Give it a shower of
metal.
Metal. All right. Alright guys, so at this point we're almost halfway through our cut, and it's always a good time to stop here and go on the outside and put some strips of duct tape from the top onto the panel that you're cutting out so that it doesn't fall out and scratch the body of the van when you finish your cut. Attaching some duct tape here, again to catch the panel so when it falls out it doesn't bounce off the ground or scrape the body of the van on its way out. Alright guys, at this point, cut's already all the way around. Forgot to mention maybe some good gloves for this part too, because that will cut you pretty bad. We don't want stitches. There you go. Alright guys, so windows cut out, one thing I forgot to mention, you want a good file right now because you want to clean up all these rough edges on the inside here before you prime it. And this is just taking down any burrs that you made during your cut. Pretty good cut. Again, that bimetal blade makes all the difference. Alright guys, so just to give you a quick overview of how this window works, this is the FW395R from CR Lawrence Automotive Products. Again, ordered through Van Windows Direct. So this is the T-vent window system. It utilizes a clamp ring to secure it, and there's a gasket built into the window, so there's no need for extra adhesives or sealants on this, which is always nice. It comes in some nice packaging. I'll stand it up for you. See, this is the T-vent portion here. And it's always good to have two people for this part of the install. Someone to spot it from the outside. I wouldn't trust tape alone. So if you can get an extra set of hands, whether you have a work partner or a buddy that can swing by, always good to not break an expensive piece of product like this on install. Alright guys, so windows in, the clamp ring has its first set of screws going all the way around for the most part, just a few left. At this point we don't need the second set of hands outside, it's pretty well secured. So now it's just a matter of finishing it up and making sure you hit the inside track and land these screws in the frame. Alright guys, that'll do it for us here today at Cascade Custom Vans. Thanks for stopping by. If you found this informative, feel free to click the link below to subscribe, follow along for more tips and tricks along the way from us. See you out there on the road.